Top up your engine bay. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. Today I got Ford Ranger 2020 model. I'm going to show you how you're going to check under the hood. First of all, if you need to open the bonnet, you have to come to the driver door. This is right hand side drive. You can see here, this is the thing you need to pull. Right, now it's open. Then after that, little bit lift up and you can feel the latch inside. I'll show you. You need to little bit lift up, then after that this latch you need to take to passenger side, then this will open. This is the coolant tank. You can see it has a maximum level. This is the minimum level. This vehicle has a pink color coolant. Don't going to mix up the color. Only use pink color coolant. Don't going to use green, blue or whatever other colors, because each chemical react each other. Then after that it's not good for the hose, o-ring, inside thingy. Basically don't going to mix up the coolant color. And also next of the coolant tank, you can see this cap and it say here DOT4. Basically this is brake fluid reservoir. You have to use only DOT4. You can see the level now. It's here right to the maximum. If some reason if it low, check your brake pad. If your brake pad's okay, check any leaking surround the brake system. Otherwise this one shouldn't be low. If you're not sure, you can contact your local garage and ask them to check behalf of you. Right, okay. And this is the oil cap. If you want to add oil, you can add the oil from here. To show you how am I going to check the oil level. Before check the oil level, make sure car not running and make sure park level surface like this. Don't park tilt. If you tilt, you get the totally wrong answer. Right, first of all we need to remove the dipstick and wipe. Right, you can see this is the maximum level, this is the low level. And other thing, when you use in diesel car, don't going to top up until maximum. Just top up little bit lower the top level, because this vehicle doing the regen process. Then after that too much diesel into the engine bay, then after that your oil level going to raise. Then after that onboard sensor identify vehicle has a too much oil. After that onboard computer display engine management light on. After that it say oil dilution or oil deteriorated or something warning light coming latest vehicle, especially diesel. Because of that, don't going to top up until maximum level low. Don't going to overfill. Right, now I'm going to install the dipstick and take out and hold this stick like this. Don't going to hold upside down. Right, now this vehicle has a maximum. If you hold upside down like this, your oil level come gradually down, then you take a wrong figure. Right, now you know how to check the oil level. Right, and this is the air filter. If you need to change the air filter, you can remove this two clips here, 1, 2, then slide to the another one here, 3 clips, then you can slide this side. See, it's come out. Then after that you can change the air filter. It's not hard job. right. And also in here you can see hiding blue color top. This is screen washer symbol. You can add screen washer until neck level. There is a no low level low, no maximum level. You can top up until to neck level. Okay, and also another dipstick there. You can see this one for the transmission, but I am not going to talk about this one because it's like a little bit specialized job. You can check the low level and the maximum level for the your gearbox, but you need to little bit know about how to check. You have to follow the guidelines from the dealer. Because of that I'm not going to talk about, but if you want to check, you know there is a dipstick for the your transmission fluid check. Okay, this is the fuel filter, and if you need to do the jump start, this is the positive line. You can connect positive line here, you can connect negative there. Don't going to mix up positive and negative. If you mix up positive and negative, you know how you're going to ending. If you want, you can try. Be careful. Right. Next step, this is diesel vehicle 2020. This vehicle using AdBlue for the emission system. I'll show you how you're going to top up AdBlue. Many people mix up that one also. You need to go to the fuel cap. This is the fuel filling cap. This one, you know, the black color. Only use diesel here. Don't going to add AdBlue. Many people going to try AdBlue here. This is the AdBlue pillar. You can see it say AdBlue here, blue color top. That's the sign for the AdBlue. Then you can top up. Don't going to top up until to neck level. Leave a slightly space for the breathing. You can top close to the maximum, not overfill. Or you can see from here, if you have like a tiny smaller torch, you can see here how is the level, but don't going to top up until neck. Also, if you spill AdBlue here, just use clean water and wipe it, you will be fine. Hopefully you know how to check under the engine bay, how to fill up AdBlue, how to fill up diesel. Also, if you want to check your brake pad, you can check from here in between the space. I'm going to bring the light. If you have a like this smaller torch, it's bit handy. You can check through the, see, you can see in between disc and the pad, but this vehicle has a reasonable amount of brake pads. That means he can use it more. And the back also you can do the same thing, but by experience I know latest model, but still using the drum brake at the back. Basically you can't check. If you want to check, you have to remove the drum and you can have a look. Latest cars still using old school way, no disc at the back. Okay, hopefully you know now how to check your oil level, top ups and everything. And the one more thing I didn't mention that time, when you're going to top up, use correct grade of oil, because this vehicle has a wet timing belt. Basically timing belt run with the lubricant oil. If you use in different oils, it's not good at all. Please use dealer recommended oil. If you're not using like that dealer recommended oil, you ending with timing belt problem very sooner. Be careful. Make sure top up or change whatever, use correct grade of oil. Keep in your mind thoroughly. Thank you. See you in the next video.